Hey y'all, so I am somewhat doing a room renovation project. I am taking this back wall behind my headboard and gonna put a white brick contact paper 3D real looking wall, and then put some curtain LED lights with some garlands of eucalyptus. So it took me a while to figure out what to put there. I wanted to do like one of those starburst mirrors or something cool, but my fear is just that it's going to fall down and hit me in the middle of the night. I know that's dumb, but that's my fear. So I came up with doing this, and I couldn't figure out if I wanted to do tulle behind the lights or just the lights on the wall or what. So I found some contact paper that was enough of it on a roll. So I actually already started the process because I totally forgot to start filming before. So I've already cut the paper. It's already cut. I just put the roll up, and then I brought it down just right below my headboard, and I cut that piece. Basically, I did 4 pieces like that. And then I put them on the wall with a pin and lined them up to where I want them, and then lined them up to where the bricks met each other on the seam, which now I have a little bit over the seam. And now I know what people meant when they said if you overlap them, you can see the seam. Because you can. It's not that bad, but... So this is what I have so far. It looks like a chimney right now. But yeah, so it looks pretty good. So it's gonna put you right here. Yeah. Play some music. guess what song I'm singing? Really? Oh, it looks so good. I'm so excited. So, my plan. Got these curtain lights. Just like a curtain with a bunch of lights drop down from it. So it looks like a curtain light. I'm going to put that up at the very top. So we'll have LED lights in front of a brick wall. And I got these eucalyptus garlands. There's 4. Originally I wanted to do drops of eucalyptus with all of the strands, but they were too expensive to get that many. But now that I have them, they're really big, so it wouldn't look good like that anyway. So my plan is to put 1 on each side, maybe 1 in the middle, and then 1 on top, since there's 4. But we'll see how long that is. I might just have to do 2 on the outsides and then 2 in the center. And then I got these to be the drops with the lights. So I'm so excited. Even that just looks good, though. That dresses up the wall a lot. Way different than just a bare wall. So I'm excited just for that. I got this. It's got eucalyptus in it, and that's why I got it, because I thought it would tie the whole wall together. So I wanted to put 1 on each side of the wall. But they only had 1, and been to other ones, and I cannot find another one. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I really like it. It looks so good. I'm surprised at how real it actually looks. Okay, it looks better on camera than it does in person. Now I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go eat. I am slacking hardcore. So I put the lights up and 1 of the eucalyptus branches, her garland, and now I just was thinking, I don't know why it just popped into my head, but I didn't film me doing that. So, hopefully I'll remember to film the rest of what I'm putting up, but, well, that's the lights, which was kind of a pain in the butt. Well, yeah, only because I didn't want them to be, they're longer or wider than I want them to be, so I had to fold them under, and yeah, they weren't working with me very well. And then the garland on top. Yay! I'm so excited. It looks so cute. I love it. I'll show you with the lights when I'm completely finished, but just wanted to show you that and update you on that. Hopefully I don't forget to film while I'm finishing it up and putting the final touches on there. And guess what I forgot to do again? Well, it's all finished now. I added the string thingies, kind of every other in between lights, and I still haven't put the side eucalyptus garlands. I just think it's going to be too much. I haven't tried it, so I don't know what it's going to look like, but I just haven't done it yet. I like the way this looks how it is, so, but bad news. My lights blew a fuse or something. This is the second one I've had. The company sent me a new one, complimentary, because the other one also blew out. So it has to do with the AC/DC supply, power supply, and I haven't had a chance to find a brand new one. I've gone through different ones that I was going to get, and I just haven't bought a new one yet. So I can't show you with the lights on, but that's the finished product. And I love it. It looks super cute. I was able to find a place for that thing. It's not on the same wall, but it wasn't going to work if I didn't do it that way. So, but I'm super happy with it. It looks really good, and yeah. Thank you for watching.